Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for unemployment in Canada. So first head over in your search bar and type in this phrase, apply for unemployment in Canada. And right off the bat, you should see a link that is named EI Regular Benefits Apply. All you have to do is click on this. You will then be redirected to Canada.ca's official website. So from here, all you have to do is scroll down, and here you should see the things that you need to gather and prepare before you can start your application. So you can use this as your checklist and check those that is already with you. And to get started, here are the requirements or the document that you will need. First is, of course, you're going to need your social insurance number or SIN, and if your SIN begins with a 9, you need to supply proof of your immigration status and work permit. Next is the last name at birth of one of your parents. You also need your mailing and residential addresses, including the postal code. Another thing or document that you need is your banking information to sign up for direct deposit, and that includes financial institution name, bank branch number, and account number. And lastly, you also need details about all employment in the past 52 weeks or since the start of your last claim, whichever is shorter. And that includes employer names, addresses, dates of employment, reason for separation. And when you have all that, you are now ready to apply. From here, just scroll down to the bottom and you can see the apply button here. Just click on it. So before you apply, you must read the privacy notice statement. And once done, head over and click on start application. So from here, you'll basically have to answer details and questions being asked for them to be able to see your eligibility for the benefits, and of course, to know more about your current situation. Just follow all the on screen prompts and answer questions accurate and correct. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!